The best cameras for vlogging are designed with a new style of content creation in mind. Aimed at solo content creators who might need to capture a wide variety of subjects in all sorts of environments. Vlogging cameras come in all shapes and sizes, from portable action cams for the adventurous thrill seekers to larger mirrorless systems for more traditional filmmakers. In this video, we've included a selection of different vlogging cameras to suit different needs. Number 5. Sony A6400 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A6400's front-facing camera makes it perfect for single-handed video shooters who need to talk directly at the camera. It has a 180-degree flip front-facing screen rather than a very angle, which would have been better, but if you just need to see yourself, it shouldn't matter too much. If you're a multimedia content creator, the A6400 is also a great stills camera, as well as being able to deliver 4K video. It's practically the same design as A6000. For bloggers, vloggers, and independent content creators, the Sony A6400 is a dream. Its still image quality is very good, its 4K video is even better, and its 180-degree screen and eye detect AF are perfect for single-handed video capture. The still images are good, but the videography of A6400 is on another level. Thus, it's one of the most recommended vlogging cameras. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Canon primarily aimed the PowerShot G7X Mark II at photographers. It became one of the best cameras for vlogging because of its excellent autofocus, AF system, 24-100, equivalent f/2.8 lens, image stabilization, and the flip-up screen that can be viewed from in front of the camera. Canon has looked to build on these features for the Mark III version and make it even more attractive to vloggers. Naturally, a camera with a 1-inch type sensor is never going to compete with an APS-C format model for image quality, but the images from the PowerShot G7X Mark III look very good, with a nice level of detail. Canon has stuck to a winning formula with the G7X Mark III, keeping the neat, rectangular, pocket-friendly design of its predecessor but adding much more powerful video capabilities for a new generation of blogging/vlogging enthusiasts. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S5 Mirrorless Camera. The Panasonic Lumix S5 joins 3 existing Lumix S models, and the Panasonic Lumix move to full frame has been largely positive. The Lumix S line of cameras and lenses are capable of capturing sumptuously attractive photos and videos. Despite its compact size, the Lumix S5 shares the impressive 24MP CMOS sensor housed in the Lumix zone, but with improved AF. It also has a tough weather-resistant body and delivers up to 6.5 stops of image stabilization with compatible lenses. Its standout features include class-leading dynamic range and 4K video recording, as well as 96MP high-resolution RAW plus JPEG capture. It's tough to beat in this category. At this price, including its kit lens, the Lumix S5 is the hybrid camera to beat. It offers stunning full-frame image quality, class-leading video performance, and matches a camera that costs almost $1,000/$1,000 more in terms of dynamic range. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. The DJI Pocket 2 is a second-generation all-in-one camera with a built-in 3-axis stabilizer. A follow-up to the Osmo Pocket, the camera remains roughly the same size as the original but features a larger sensor, a wider lens, an improved autofocus system, more microphones, and the ability to shoot higher quality photos and videos. The camera remains incredibly easy to use and is a great option for vloggers and content creators who need to capture stabilized video and don't want to be weighed down with lots of gear. The new version has a wider 24-1.8 lens and a larger sensor, making it a much better option for those who need stabilized footage of themselves. The Pocket 2 adds 2 additional mics, bringing the total to 4, and features directional audio. With a future update, a new feature called Soundtrack will allow those microphones to follow whatever is making noise in a scene. It performs well and makes it easy to use your smartphone to monitor, review, and download footage on the go and use the Pocket as a tool for live streams. Number 1. Sony ZV1 Digital Camera. The Sony ZV1 is a 20MP compact camera geared towards vlogging. It has a new and novel directional microphone next to the flash hot shoe, and there's a fully articulating touchscreen display. The ZV1 shoots in 4K up to 30 and Full HD up to 120 and features a 24/7 TIM equivalent f/2.8 lens. Although the Sony ZV1 is designed specifically with vloggers in mind, it's quite capable as a conventional compact still camera too. If you're a hybrid shooter who is interested in capturing both video and stills, but doesn't want to carry around two cameras, the ZV1 has a lot to offer. The ZV1 is a solid option for vloggers and photographers looking for a compact camera with a fast lens and great video and still image quality. Its novel microphone and video-friendly ergonomics are big pluses, but we want to see Sony introduce a more modern touch interface and update their menus to appeal to a wider audience. Overall, whether you're a dedicated video maker or just want an easy-to-use camera for good quality clips, the ZV1 is worth a look. Make sure to check the description box for up-to-date pricing on the mentioned cameras and links regarding them. While you are down there, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We will see you at the next one.